1 credit, 1 cut. Review, export, ship. Prepaid, no free gens. Hub handoff. OS and Descamp software, not a broker. Any device. Legal on site. Ship the fleet. Next batch 5 credits. Make the cut again. Epic Tech AI. EpicTechAI.com. Epic Tech AI. Media first. Super app fleet. Prepaid Seedments video. Stripe secured. Any device. AI that actually runs the machine.
Operator, chaos in, production out. You don't need another chatbot. You need a crew. One mission, full signal.
This is not another tech hype reel. This is Epic Tech AI on X's SM0Ken420. Multimedia artist. Builder. Late nights. Caffeine. Creative chaos. On X, he ships in public. Short clips. Photos. Voice memos. AI art. Real talk. Friday chaos jackpot energy. Not bots. Not fake engagement. Just the work, loud enough to feel. On Suno, he is DJ Smokestream. Hundreds of tracks. Trap. Bounce. Sweat. Music made for the night, for the stream, for the grind when the beat hits and the world falls away. And then there is the stack. GitHub. Terminals. Deploys. Epic OS. Media tools. Campaign sites. Cloudflare. Railway. Full products, not just demos that die in a folder. So how does it all get built? He does not type alone. He pairs with AI Groq, agents, skills, automations. Idea to architecture. Architecture to code. Code to a live URL. Ship. Fix. Ship again. 10-second shots become a 3-minute film. Chaos becomes signal. Image to video. Video to stitch. Voice. Soundtrack. Deploy. Growth. Ops. The second pair of hands that never sleeps, while the human keeps the taste, the mission, and the chaos that makes it worth watching. This is built in public with teeth. Music. Code. Media. Community. If you are still watching, you already feel it. Follow SM0Ken420 on X. Hit DJ Smokestream on Suno. Watch what ships next. Epic Tech AI. Creative chaos engineered.
Feel the heat coming up from the floor.
Sweat on skin, bass in your core.
Move that waist. Move that waist. Move that waist.
Move that waist, let it talk to the beat.
Talk to the beat.
Drop, throw it back slow, make the bass go deep.
Make it deep.
Sweat on your body, dripping down your spine.
Down your spine.
I can feel it hitting every time you whine.
Every time. Work it on me. Don't you stop that motion. Bass hitting spots that got me losing focus.
She said go deeper when the drop came in. Now she dancing like she trying to make a baby with the rhythm.
Sweat and bounce. Sweat and bounce.
Make that body do with the bass.
Tell it to sweat and bounce. Sweat and bounce.
If you ain't dripping, then you ain't in the groove. Drop it low, drop it low. Drop it low, drop it low.
Let the bass kiss where the sun don't show.
Drop it low, drop it low.
Let the bass kiss where the sun don't show. Hands on my hips, guide you where you want
I can
it.
feel you getting wetter every time you flaunt it.
Don't rush it, baby. Let the drums do the talking.
Hit it from the back, beat, make that ass clap back. Bass so nice, they gotta throwing it like that.
I don't need no bed, just the floor and the sound. If the kick is dirty, then I'm going
She
down.
riding every 808 like it's hitting from behind. Grinding on the rhythm till she lose her damn mind.
Sweat and bounce, sweat and bounce. Make that waistline do what the music allows. Sweat and bounce, sweat and bounce. We ain't leaving till the speakers burn out. Bounce, 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 bounce. Put it on me, put it on me. Make the bass do the nasty. Bounce, 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 bounce. Put it on me, put it on me. Make the bass do the nasty.
One more time, make the whole club nasty.
Sweat dripping, bodies clashing.
One more time, make the whole club nasty.
Sweat dripping, bodies clashing. Sweat dripping, sweat and bounce, sweat and bounce. If you can't dance, then you came to get down. Sweat and bounce, sweat and bounce. It's the kind of rhythm make you act up now. Don't stop now, keep it moving. Let the bass keep doing what it's doing, 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 doing. Let the bass keep doing what it's doing. Let the bass keep doing what it's doing.
Most AI agent projects fall apart the moment the founder stops watching them. The Epic Tech Fleet keeps your agents running, connected, and under control. Deploy with Groq Build, monitor with Tailscale, control remotely via Telegram. Most AI agent projects fall apart the moment the founder stops watching them. Built the actual system instead of selling the dream.
The tools are here.
Free gets you Groq. Paid gets you the real Groq 4.3 with full remote control. Desk $29. Pro $79. Stop wasting time on the limited version.
Let's see what's in this tiny box. Aw, it's just a tiny squeaky mallet. A rocket-powered mega mallet! What's inside?
What's up, Doc? The island's exploding. It's a catastrophe. Great horny tongues run fast! Sinking fast! Hold on! Whoa, Doc! The island's going down! Zigzag! Raft blasts! What a way to go! What a meltdown, Doc! We're still in hot water! Hang on, you mugs! Whoa, not the spin! The island's gone! We're safe! Safe on this rickety raft? Look, it's sinking! Hooray! The end? Finally!